Today we'll be installing an EcoHitch part number X7345 on a Honda CRV. If you find this video helpful, consider giving it a like and hitting the subscribe button below for future installs. Starting off at the rear of the vehicle, locate the protective undercover and remove all the plastic rivets and nuts. Next, open the trunk and remove the two inside bolts. Take the mud flaps off by removing 2 screws in the wheel wells and 1 screw underneath. These steps were completed prior to filming. Remove the screw that was hidden under the mud flap. Remove the 2 rivets located on the inside of the bumper on each side of the vehicle. It will be easier to reach these if you lower the exhaust first by lubricating the rubber exhaust hangers, then sliding them off the metal rods. Remove the rivets mentioned earlier. You can now remove the bumper by carefully peeling it from the vehicle, starting from the outside and working towards the center. Disconnect the wiring harness if present. Attach a bolt, external tooth lock washer, and plate washer to the provided bolt fissure. Use the fissure to feed the assembly through hole A and out hole C. Do the same process going from hole A to hole B. Repeat on the other side of the vehicle. Lift your EcoHitch into place, being careful not to push the bolts back into the frame. Secure each bolt with a flat washer, lock washer, and nut. Torque down all the hardware. Secure the hitch to the factory tow hook with a bolt, 2 flat washers, a lock washer, and a nut. Following the guidelines in your instructions, mark and trim your bumper to fit the newly installed hitch. If your CRV is equipped with a kick sensor, it will have to be moved before the cutout is made and then reinstalled after. You can now reinstall the exhaust, bumper, and undercover panel. The undercover panel will need to be trimmed to fit your hitch. This step was done prior to filming. EcoHitch is now installed and ready for your next adventure.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torque products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.